You might find that under certain circumstances, your Dualshock 4 wireless controller will not wirelessly pair with your PlayStation 4. While not always the case, this situation can occur if you have just factory reset your PlayStation 4 or if you've been using your Dualshock controller with your mobile phone, PC or iPad. As the issue seems to be related to the Bluetooth pairing that is made between the controller and the PS4, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can force your controller to pair with your console. Before we start, please note that in order for this to successfully work, you will need to have a compatible USB cable. As not all USB cables are equal, if you do not use the original USB cable that was supplied with your controller, the method that we're about to demonstrate may not work. We also need to point out that if the battery in the Dualshock controller has been depleted, you will need to partially charge your controller first. Let's start by first turning on our PlayStation 4. Now, in order to place our Dualshock 4 controller into pair mode, we need to locate both the PS and the share buttons on our controller. If we press and hold down both the PS and the share button for roughly 5 seconds, or until the light bar on the controller starts to rapidly flash, we will have placed our controller into pair mode. Now, with one end of our USB cable connected to our PS4, we simply need to connect our controller to the other end of the USB cable. If we now press the PS button on our controller, the light bar on the controller will change to a solid color, signifying that our controller is once again paired to our console. By pressing the PS button for a second time, we can log back into our PlayStation 4 and once again control our console. As we have now wirelessly paired our controller to our console, it is safe to disconnect the USB cable from our controller.